Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Volvo XC60 maintenance light. First, make sure your vehicle is parked securely on a flat surface. Then, turn the ignition to position 2, which means all dashboard lights are on, but the engine is not running. You will need to find the trip reset button, typically located on the end of the left stalk on your steering wheel. This button is crucial for navigating the service menu. Prepare to follow the next steps carefully for a successful reset. Now, with the ignition in position 2, press and hold the trip reset button. Keep it pressed down. You will notice the information light on your dashboard start to flash. It's important to continue holding the button through this entire sequence. The light will flash once, then twice, and finally a third time. Do not release the button until you have seen it flash 3 times, as this indicates you are in the correct mode. Once the information light has flashed 3 times, release the trip reset button immediately. This timing is key for the reset to register correctly. After releasing the button, turn your ignition completely off. It's recommended to leave the ignition off for at least 2 minutes to allow the system to fully reset. Finally, restart your Volvo XC60 engine. The maintenance light should now be off, confirming a successful service reset. This reset procedure is generally applicable to a wide range of Volvo XC60 models, but always remember to consult your specific owner's manual for any unique variations or additional steps that might apply to your vehicle. It's always best to be sure. Also, for those who love to read, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's perfect for reading anywhere, anytime. You can find a link to it, along with other great deals, in the description below this video. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.